Welcome back to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I will show you how to remove and replace the factory radio on a 2011 Ford Expedition. This video applies to Ford Expeditions made from 2007 all the way up to 2017. Okay, so what you want to do first, you'll have to remove this plastic trim piece that's surrounding the radio, so there is no any screws holding it. All you have to do, just pry it out around the edges. Now the best thing would be to use the trim remover tool, but if you don't have it, you can use a flat screwdriver or a tool like this just to pretty much pry it out. Now what I usually do, I just fold a piece of duct tape over the metal piece so I don't damage the trim or the paint, or I don't leave any scratches. Okay, so I usually start at the bottom and just work my way towards the top. This and the other side. Okay, and this is pretty much it. Now you don't have to disconnect all of these connections, just the top two, and you can do it by just pushing onto this clip, black clip right here. See? And the same thing on the other side, so just on the opposite side. I will show you here as well. So just push onto it, and it's gonna pop out. Then you can just leave it hanging on the side, and what you have to do next, it's quite easy. There are four 7mm screws, so 2 on the left side and 2 of them on the right side. Okay, so once you have all those 4 screws out, the radio will be completely loose and you can just pull it straight out. Okay, so once you have the radio out, all you have to do is disconnect a couple of plugs in the back and pull out the radio antenna. So it's all pretty simple. You have clip push to push and pull out here. There's a clip here, so basically you just pull it out, right? Same thing on this one. And the radio antenna, you just have to pull out and it plugs back in the same way. And that's pretty much it. If you're replacing your factory radio with another factory radio from another expedition, from a salvage for example, make sure to look for a radio code in the glove box. It's usually on a small card, size of a business card, and it's a 4-digit number. Because if you just put a new radio in, plug it in, it's not gonna work. It's gonna ask you for the code. Other option is to get the code from a Ford dealership based on the serial number of the vehicle and the serial number of the radio, but they might charge you, well, I don't know, like $50 for it. So if you go to a salvage or whatever, make sure you get the radio code. In case you are replacing the factory radio with the aftermarket radio, make sure to get the wiring harness for the new radio, which is gonna plug in into existing wires back here, and then the other side is gonna plug in into a new radio. And of course make sure to get your aftermarket radio kit for Ford Expeditions, so it gets like a nice frame and everything, and it fits in perfectly. If you have any questions, you can post them down in the comment section. If not, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car projects and similar automotive topics.